Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Nitya Pathshala. Today we will talk about what is DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. Database is a collection of related data. For example, Facebook. When we create account on Facebook, it can take various information of user like user ID, email ID, password, profile picture, and so on. So Facebook can store these details in our database. DBMS is a software system which manages the database. The DBMS is used to store and retrieve the data in a database. Retrieve means to get something where it was left or lost, and it also manipulate the data, which means to change the data at any time in a database. The DBMS organize the data in a structured manner. So, what will be the key features of DBMS? First one is the data modeling. In data modeling, the DBMS provide different tool to create and modify the data, where it can define the relationship and structure of data in the database. Second is data storage and retrieval. As I told before, the DBMS can store and retrieve the data in a database. The responsibility of data storage is on the DBMS, although it can provide the multiple methods and tool to search and query the data in a database. Third one is the concurrency control. The concurrency means when multiple users access the data at the same time, it cannot conflict on each other. For example, when the user visit on IRCTC website to check the arrival and depart time of any train, so the user can get the information without any conflict. Multiple user can not or should not overlap on any other data. They visit parallelly on same website at the same time. Fourth is the data integrity and security. In data integrity and security, the user can get the complete and accurate data on a database. For example, when the user visit on IRCTC website to check about the particular train status, the passenger or the user can get the correct and accurate information about the train, like the arrival time and departure time of the particular train. Fifth one is the backup and recovery. In this, the user can store the data in a database. So user, if they want, can get the data and recover the data from the database at any instant of time. It provides 24/7 visibility to the user. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my